Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Acoustics Q-Active 200 wireless speaker system and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your speakers are not connecting or not pairing with devices or anything like that, or if they keep disconnecting, you're having sound issues, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason is if you're setting this up on a new network or new devices and you just want to get a fresh start, we can go ahead and do that via this reset. So you will need a paper clip or something like that, and you're going to need power to the hub, and you're going to come behind the hub and you're going to press and hold this reset button here, which is over on the left on the back of the hub. And while you do that, you're going to look at the lights on the front of the hub, and after you hold this for a while, the lights will go off. All the lights on the front will go off, and then they'll flash 3 times. Flash, flash, flash. At which point you can let go, and then allow it to complete its reset. So the far left button will start to blink in red, the power button, and then all the lights will blink white, indicating that it's entering pairing mode, and it can be set up as a new set of speakers.